never made it as a wise man. I couldn't cut it as a poor man stealing. I'm tired of living like a blind man. I'm sick aside without a sense of feeling. And this is how you remind me of what I really am. This is how you remind me. It's not like you to say sorry. I was waiting on a different story, and this time I'm mistaken for handing you a heart worth breaking. And I've been wrong, I've been down and to the bottom of every bottle. These 5 words in my head scream, are we having fun yet? Yeah, yeah. Are we having fun yet?